It's critical to improve the timed loan decisions in today's credit environment for a number of reasons. Number one, if you want to choose to get to real scale, it's really difficult to do that with a heavy manual process. You need full digitization in an omni-channel environment. Number two, from a cost perspective, it's extremely expensive to have a manual process versus having a fully automated process. There are dramatic efficiencies to be gained by going to an automated loan origination system, and those efficiencies really can't happen if you have a manual process. Number one, from a scale perspective, most banks can see up to a 200% increase in applications by fully digitizing that UI and UX. Number two, from a cost reduction perspective, you see banks that have a 70% reduction per application by fully digitizing that verification and fraud prevention experience. Overall, clients want that experience, and just makes sense from a data perspective too, to really understand what is happening in your funnel to fully optimize that full experience for that customer. Some common reasons why a bank may choose to keep their original loan origination system would be, number one, they don't know where to turn. And the reality is, in 2024, there's some amazing partners that can get them to that 2024 standard that their consumers are expecting. Number two is they may think that they don't have the tech or talent to actually handle that level of a project. And number three is they may think what they have today from an LOS perspective is okay. And the reality is it's probably not okay, and we know that. In surveying consumers, they actually think outside the top five, the tech around deposits and lending is not where it needs to be. Information security is incredibly important in today's day and age. And so whether a bank is choosing to do digital transformation internally or work with a partner, that bar needs to be met. If the bank chooses to work with a partner, working with a partner that has a proven platform that has been able to handle an enterprise-grade platform is incredibly important to hit the mark. When a bank switches to a fully digital loan origination system, there's lots of things that change in a good way. First of all, that application experience is fully to 2024 standards for that customer. It's a quick application, it's immediate decision, and you have that fully automated verification and fraud prevention experience on the back end. Number two, from an AI perspective, you're going to get those insights into what the customer actually wants, and as well as unlock some cross-sell capabilities. Now, what doesn't change? Full control. There's several banks out there that think that they're going to lose that control by digitizing the experience. The reality is that that's not the case. You're actually going to understand more of what actually is happening in your funnel, page by page, application field by application field, to really understand what's working and what's not. For a banker that may be hesitant to proceed with digital transformation because what they would fear would be lack of time, talent, budget, I would encourage them to really look at the market today. There's a lot of options to partner to really get your experience to 2024 standards for a fraction of cost, a fraction of dollars that you can do internally. And you're gonna be able to hit that ROI that you really need by taking that journey together with that partner.